Have you ever wondered if the secret to attracting wealth and prosperity into your life could be as simple as cleaning your floors? Imagine transforming your home into a magnet for money and abundance using just a few everyday ingredients. Inspired by the transformative teachings of Dolores Cannon, we're diving deep into a magical ritual that promises to invite prosperity into your home like never before. This isn't just about cleaning. It's about setting powerful intentions and harnessing the energy of natural elements to create an environment where money loves to flow. By using lemon, cinnamon, and rice water, combined with positive affirmations, you can elevate the vibrational energy of your living space and ensure that abundance and good fortune become permanent fixtures in your life. Join us as we explore this fascinating practice that combines ancient wisdom with modern intention, turning your home into a sanctuary of prosperity and positivity. Get ready to transform your space and your financial future with this incredible ritual that will leave your floors and your bank account shining. Ritual 1. Protecting from negative energies. Ingredients you need: mop bucket, hot water, vinegar, sea salt. The primary purpose of this ritual is to cleanse your home of negative energies that may be hindering your financial and personal well-being. By using natural cleansing agents like vinegar and sea salt, combined with the power of focused intention and affirmations, you can create a space that supports abundance and positivity. Gather your materials. Ensure you have a clean mop bucket, access to hot water, vinegar, and sea salt. Set your intention. Before you begin, take a moment to center yourself. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your intention to cleanse your home of all negative energies and to invite peace, happiness, and abundance. Mix the cleansing solution. Fill the mop bucket. Pour hot water into the bucket. Hot water is effective in breaking down and dissolving impurities and is also believed to carry a higher vibrational energy, which is beneficial for cleansing. Add vinegar. Pour a generous splash of vinegar into the hot water. Vinegar is a powerful natural cleanser known for its ability to cut through negativity and purify spaces. Add sea salt. Sprinkle a handful of sea salt into the water. Sea salt has been used for centuries in various cultures for its protective and purifying properties. It is believed to absorb negative energy and leave the space energetically clean. Begin mopping. Start from the highest floors. If your home has multiple levels, start from the top floor. Negative energy can accumulate in hidden corners and higher spaces, so it's crucial to address these areas first. Move from inside to outside. Begin mopping from the farthest room on each floor, gradually working your way towards the door. This method ensures that you are pushing all negative energies out of your home rather than redistributing them within. Visualize the process. As you mop, visualize the negative energies being lifted and carried away by the water. Imagine the corners, floors, and walls being enveloped in a bright, cleansing light. Use the mantra. Repeat affirmations. As you mop, continuously repeat the mantra. My home is filled with energy, peace, happiness, and abundance. The power of spoken words, especially when charged with intention, can significantly influence the energy of your space. Feel the meaning. Don't just say the words. Feel them. Imagine your home already filled with positive energy, peace, happiness, and abundance. Believe in the transformation you are invoking. Move to the next level. Once you have finished mopping the top floor, move to the next level down and repeat the process. Final stage. End by mopping the ground floor, again starting from the back of the house and moving towards the front door. Finally, mop your way out the door, symbolically pushing all remaining negative energy out of your home. Dispose of the dirty water. Proper disposal. Once you have finished mopping, carefully dispose of the dirty water outside your home. Avoid pouring it down the sink inside the house, as you don't want the negative energies to linger within your living space. Final cleans. Rinse the mop and bucket thoroughly with clean water, and consider doing a brief prayer or affirmation to seal the cleansing process. Consistency. Perform this ritual regularly, such as once a week or once a month, depending on how energetically heavy your environment feels. Enhanced protection. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus to the mop water for their additional cleansing and protective properties. Personalize. Feel free to personalize the mantra or add other elements that resonate with you, such as playing soft, uplifting music or burning incense while you clean. Ritual 2. Enhancing positive energy flow. Ingredients you need: mop bucket, hot water, a few drops of lemon juice, a pinch of cinnamon powder. This ritual is designed to enhance the flow of positive energy throughout your home. By using ingredients like lemon and cinnamon, which are known for their purifying and energizing properties, you can invite abundance, joy, and prosperity into your space. The process involves not just physical cleaning, but also the infusion of positive intentions and affirmations. Gather your materials. Make sure you have a clean mop bucket, access to hot water, fresh lemons, and cinnamon powder. Set your intention. Before starting, take a moment to ground yourself. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and focus on your intention to fill your home with positive, abundant energy. Mix the energizing solution. Fill the mop bucket. Pour hot water into the bucket. Hot water is ideal for this ritual, as it can help release the cleansing properties of lemon and cinnamon more effectively. Add lemon juice. Squeeze a few drops of fresh lemon juice into the hot water. Lemon is a natural purifier and is often associated with clarity, freshness, and positivity. It helps to cleanse and uplift the energy in your home. Add cinnamon powder. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon powder into the water. Cinnamon is known for its warming, energizing properties and is often used in rituals to attract prosperity and abundance. Stir the mixture. Using a wooden spoon or any utensil, stir the mixture clockwise. The clockwise motion symbolizes the drawing in of positive energy. While stirring, visualize the water being infused with vibrant, positive energy. Infuse with affirmations. Choose affirmations. Select affirmations that resonate with you. Examples include, I am abundance. Abundance flows to me in streams of wealth. Or, my home is filled with joy and prosperity. Repeat affirmations. As you stir the mixture, repeat your chosen affirmations aloud. Feel the power of your words, infusing the water with positive energy. The combination of your spoken words and the natural properties of lemon and cinnamon creates a powerful, energetic solution. Begin cleaning. Start from the highest floors. If you have a multi-story home, begin cleaning from the top floor. This ensures that positive energy flows down through each level of your home. Move from inside to outside. Just like in Ritual 1, start cleaning from the farthest room on each floor and work your way towards the door. This method ensures that the positive energy is drawn through the entire space and pushed out, filling every corner. Visualize positive energy. As you clean, visualize the positive energy from the lemon and cinnamon mixture spreading throughout your home. See it filling each room with light, joy, and abundance. Use the mantra throughout. Continuously repeat affirmations. While cleaning, continue to repeat your affirmations. This constant repetition helps to maintain a high vibrational energy throughout the process. Engage your senses. Smell the fresh scent of lemon and cinnamon as you clean, and feel the warmth and positivity of your affirmations. Engage all your senses to deeply connect with the ritual. Clean thoroughly. Inside to outside, top to bottom. Clean each room thoroughly, ensuring that you cover all areas, including under furniture and in corners where energy can stagnate. Focus on high-traffic areas. Pay special attention to areas where people frequently gather, such as the living room, kitchen, and entryway, as these areas benefit greatly from enhanced positive energy. Proper disposal. After you have finished cleaning, dispose of the dirty water outside your home. This symbolizes releasing any residual negativity and making space for the positive energy you have invited in. Rinse the tools. Rinse your mop and bucket thoroughly with clean water to clear any remaining energy from the cleaning process. Consistency. Perform this ritual regularly to maintain a high level of positive energy in your home. Monthly or bi-weekly sessions can help keep the energy fresh and vibrant. Enhanced energizers. You can add a few drops of essential oils such as lavender, orange, or eucalyptus to the mixture for additional purification and uplifting effects. Personalize. Feel free to customize the ritual with elements that resonate with you, such as playing uplifting music, burning candles, or incorporating crystals known for their positive energy properties like citrine or clear quartz. Ritual 3. Using rice water for abundance. Ingredients you need. Water from cooking rice. This ritual leverages the symbolic and energetic properties of rice to attract abundance and prosperity into your home. Rice is often associated with wealth, fertility, and good fortune in various cultures around the world. By using the water from cooked rice, you harness these positive attributes and spread them throughout your living space, reinforcing your intention to invite abundance into your life. Preparing the rice water. Begin by cooking a pot of rice as you normally would. As the rice cooks, it releases starches and other nutrients into the water, creating a milky, nutrient-rich liquid. This water, imbued with the essence of rice, is what you'll use for the ritual. Once the rice is fully cooked, carefully strain the water into a clean container. Allow it to cool to a safe temperature for mopping. The rice water now carries the symbolic energy of abundance and prosperity, ready to be spread throughout your home. Setting your intention. Before you start mopping, take a few moments to center yourself. Close your eyes, take several deep breaths, and focus on your intention. Visualize the abundance you wish to attract into your life. Whether it's financial prosperity, successful endeavors, or overall well-being, see it clearly in your mind's eye. Hold the container of rice water and silently or aloud state your intention. For example, you might say, "As I spread this rice water throughout my home, I invite abundance, prosperity, and good fortune to flow into my life." This step is crucial as it imbues the rice water with your personal energy and intention. Mopping with rice water. Begin mopping from the farthest room in your home, working your way towards the entrance. This ensures that you are pulling the energy of abundance through the entire space and directing it towards the entry point, where it can flow freely. As you mop, visualize the rice water leaving a trail of light and abundance in its wake. Imagine your floors and surroundings being infused with prosperity and positive energy. Feel the transformative power of the rice water as it touches every surface, enhancing the energetic frequency of your home. Maintain a positive mindset and keep your focus on the desired outcome. You can repeat affirmations such as, "Abundance flows into my life with ease," or "My home is filled with prosperity and good fortune." These affirmations help to reinforce your intentions and align your actions with your desired results. Rinsing with regular water. After you have mopped all the floors with the rice water, it's important to rinse the floors with regular clean water. This step helps to remove any residual stickiness from the rice starch and ensures that the energy of abundance is smoothly integrated into your living space. As you rinse the floors, imagine any leftover negativity or blockages being washed away, leaving only the pure, positive energy of abundance behind. This final cleanse helps to seal the ritual and solidify the energy work you've done. Throughout the entire process, it's vital to maintain a sense of faith and conviction. Believe deeply in the power of the ritual and the energy of abundance that you are inviting into your home. Your belief and positive mindset are key components in manifesting the desired results. Trust that the universe is responding to your actions and intentions, and that abundance is already making its way into your life. The combination of physical action, symbolic ingredients, and focused intention creates a powerful synergy that can transform your living space into a magnet for prosperity. Additional tips. Regular practice. For best results, consider incorporating this ritual into your regular cleaning routine, such as monthly or quarterly. Consistency helps to maintain a high vibrational energy in your home and continuously attracts abundance. Enhanced elements. You can enhance the ritual by adding a few drops of essential oils like patchouli or basil to the rice water, as these oils are also associated with prosperity and abundance. Personalization. Feel free to personalize the ritual with elements that resonate with you, such as playing soft music, lighting candles, or incorporating crystals like citrine or jade, which are known for their abundance-attracting properties. By dedicating yourself to this ritual and performing it with faith and conviction, you are actively participating in the energetic enhancement of your home. This ritual not only cleanses and purifies your space, but also creates an inviting atmosphere for abundance and prosperity to thrive. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Don't waste any time. Click that link and get ready for some eye-opening insights into wealth. Now, let's get back into the video. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored these transformative rituals to attract wealth and prosperity into your home. Inspired by Dolores Cannon's teachings, we've delved into the powerful combination of natural elements and intentional energy work. Whether you're protecting your space from negative energies, enhancing positive energy flow, or using the abundant properties of rice water, these practices are designed to elevate the vibrational energy of your home and invite abundance. We'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts on these rituals. Have you tried them? How did they make you feel? Share your stories and any additional tips you have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content aimed at bringing positivity, abundance, and prosperity into your life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.